Hey guys, up here for TFBTV. We are at the Prancing Pony, also known as the Anderson Manufacturing booth at NRAM 2022, talking to Jeremy about their new AR-10 pattern rifles.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys swinging by. We just launched our new Gen 2 AM-10s. We haven't been able to make any AR-10s in about 2 years. You know, the market was crazy with the AR-15 stuff, so it was very difficult to get any of our forgings to do the AR-10. So now that things are semi-leveling back out on a supply chain standpoint, we were able to redesign a lot of our AR-10 stuff, which is our new Gen 2. Be a little more plug-and-play friendly. So, as we all know, the AR-10 isn't very versatile with other manufacturers. We're trying to fix that to where, you know, customers are going to be able to buy our strip lower or stripped upper and build their own. And if they want to use some other company's stuff, you know, we went with the DPMS high standard. So if anybody's wanting to build one, they can. And we've also, you know, done some different things with the Magpul. It's flared now and different rail designs. So the guns you see behind us here are the three we launched. We've got a 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch. But we're also going to have the ports available on our website. So for all those watching right now, make sure to go to our website. You can get 15% off if you use the code NRA 2022, and you can take advantage of that on these rifles as well. So.
Awesome. What about the barrel material and finish you guys using?
So we use a nitride finish on our barrels. We're doing all of our barrels in-house now, actually. We started that back in 2019, so diving into the 308 is new for us right now. So we're excited to see you know, what we can do with this platform.
Forged rather than billet receiver sets, correct?
So all of our material is going to be the 7075 T6 aluminum. They're forgings. So both the upper and the lower. We're also doing the forearms in the same material with the anodized finish. So we will be doing some different kits. Right now we're in the beginning stages of getting all this stuff launched, but there will be, you know, different furniture. You can see here we got the Magpul stuff on all of these, but we will have other options coming out as well. Just on our three that we launched here is going to be strictly Magpul. A lot of our customers that have been building with the AR-15s for so long have been, you know, asking and calling and saying, hey, when can we start getting the bigger caliber stuff? And that's kind of what drove us to do the AR-10 line and revamp that a little bit. You know, in the last 2 years, there's been a lot of AR-15 sold. So bumping it up to the AR-10, there's been a demand there. Guys want to use it for hunting for sure. You know, the 20-inch, they can sit it on a bench and try to reach out. So there's a lot of different markets that we're targeting, but primarily it came from our customers just reaching out, wanting something bigger. So
now you guys are making the large format possibilities of other calibers. A lot of people probably wanting 6.5 Creedmoor in the AR-10.
Yep, we are definitely going to be branching out in the caliber 6.5 Creedmoor for sure. We've got some other stuff in the works, so all that will be coming. Like I said, we're launching these now, but we plan to build off of this and hope to get the AR-10 market, you know, just as much as we're in the AR-15 market and see what we can do with it. So.
Awesome. You said these are already on your website. Can you give us a ballpark MSRP of the sort of the three rifles here?
Yep, these are available right now. I believe the 16-inch MSRP is around $975. The other two are right around the $1,000 to $1,100 range. So, and with the 15% off, if you guys, you know, take advantage of that, you can definitely get it below that price right now. So.
Awesome. Thanks, Jeremy, for walking us through the rifles. Thanks, guys, for watching. Stay tuned. Got a lot more stuff coming from NRAM 2022 on TFB Showtime.